Today we're just gonna put on the gusset kit, shock tower brace, and bulkhead on my 2019 Maverick X3. It's right here. About 450 miles on it now. I haven't done anything besides put these harnesses in. Just some PRPs, I believe 5.3s. Got a lap belt down there, crotch strap. Really comfortable. And I also put in the intercom system from Rugged Radios. I think it's the 660 Plus, and that's about it. Today we're going to do all these components right here, all S3. I just wanted all to match. Probably do everything in S3. No real reason on why I chose them besides they seem to make good products and they make a good YouTube video. Alright, let's begin. Like that, the front end's off. That one took a little bit longer than expected. It's only my second time doing it, so yeah, it all comes off in one piece. About 12 bolts, I think. Just search the guy's net. Search Maverick X3 front clip removal. After that, we're gonna just first we're gonna take these center caps off right here, which are actually quite a pain. And then just pop those bearing nuts or the axle nuts off, and then pull the wheels off, jack it up, take the shocks off, pretty much just take everything off the front end. The pain with the S3 braces is you have to do something with the front diff. I'm not sure what I'm going to have to do. I think you have to take off the steering rack too, so I'm not sure. I think TMW you don't have to do that, but I don't know. I like S3 stuff, so I'll just put up with it, I guess. Alright. A couple hours later and a few tacos eaten. I haven't got too much done. I got the tires off, the axle nuts off. I'm about to take the shocks off. Having a beer. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, then I'll take the lowers off, and then I should be able to pop the axles out if I swing the knuckles away. I guess I gotta take the radiator and move it up too. Buddy Nick stopped by with his pretty sweet Raptor. It's pretty dope. It's part of our Tomahawk Motorsports trips that we do for veterans. At least we're going to do. I think we've done one. Yeah, it's a Gen 1 Raptor 2013. It's got some Fox 3.0s in the back and the factory Foxes in the front. Hopefully new ones soon. ADV fenders, and then the All-Stars, the Livernois 6.6 stroker. It makes about 450 to the wheels, so probably 550 at the engine after it goes to the trans and the 37s. So. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, you guys want to see why we're putting all this stuff on? Can Am thought this piece, which is part of your shock tower, should go to your radiator bracket. It's made of plastic, not all the way down to the bottom. This radiator bracket's 250 bucks. This is pretty much stamped steel. And then this little piece is supposed to be what's double shear on this, which it's not. And same for back there. So that's why we're doing it.
but apparently he's got like 2 JKs, just bought the new Gladiator and dropped the fucking 5 or 6.4 Hemi. What is it? New 6.4 Hemi into it? Look at the fucking Gladiator. I'm like, well, that's gone. Are you like kind of an overlander now? Overlander, pre-runner?
Grab the axle. Remember, don't pull on it.
No. You're not putting any like tension on it though. It's not like. Is he doubling it or like? It didn't fucking budge.
No, he had it just like that.
Don't know what else to do.
Let's try the other side, and maybe this side's just retarded.
This side's gonna come out. Fucking hurts that.
Yeah. It's like.
In the freaking end.
He was throwing it like a baseball bat, though.
Yeah, at the end.
Yeah, he tried like.
Jeez. This should not be this.
There's no way.
Like, how is this so thick?
Like, say if there was like a point over there, you could like ratchet it to, but then you'd end up pulling the car off. He's not moving a fucking inch.
Do you have a high lift?
Alright guys, so to remove the axles I watched a few different videos. I watched the S3 one where they did some stuff with a sledgehammer. I did one where you strap it to that lower A-arm. None of that works. Just pull on the axle twice, straight out. Super easy, you just pull it, get it in line, yank it once, and it comes directly out. None of the other bullshit. So I'm kind of doing this as I go along, but or learning how to do it as I go along. But you need to unplug this plug right here. If you have a smart lock, you need to unplug this plug. It's a little bit tricky. It has this gray piece, this little gray tab. If I can not drop it. It's gray tab you need to pull out, and this depresses in. Then you unplug that. You gotta pull this little tube off right here, your breather tube, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get the front axle or the front drive shaft disconnected. Just looks like maybe 13s. Yeah. Oh, sorry, there's my hand. Maybe 2 13s on one on each side, and just unscrew that, and the drive shaft should just slip on back. But yeah, I'm almost there. It's 4 bolts on the bottom. Just either S3 says use heat. I just put some MEN on it. We're almost there. Well, it's about as far as I'm getting tonight. Diff's almost out. I'm not sure how to get it out. Maybe the smart lock's different. Maybe I have to take off the steering rack. Instructions don't say so, but who knows? Instructions are never really that good. Alright, I guess I'll come back. I guess I'll come back tomorrow and just finish it after work.